Hello everyone, in this problem we are given a string and we have to find the longest substring between two equal characters. So basically we have to go through all the pairs of equal characters and find the length of maximum substring between them. For instance, the length of the substring over here is 1. If we consider these two equal characters, then the length of the substring is 2. And if we consider these two equal characters, then the length of the substring between them is 5. So 5 will be our answer over here. It is also given in the problem that if we cannot find such a substring, then we can return -1. One brute force way of solving this problem is by starting from each and every character and then finding all the substrings starting from there. And if we find the same character again, we'll find the total distance between them. We'll repeat this process for each of the characters and then we'll keep track of the maximum. The time complexity of this solution would be O of n square because we will be requiring 2 for loops. Let's see how we can try to optimize this solution. One thing you can note that is that we have 3 different a's in this string. One observation you can make is that for calculating the maximum substring, we have to consider the equal characters at the extremes. So even though if we have multiple a's in between, none of them will matter. So somehow if we can store the index of the first occurrence of any character, then we can use that to compute the maximum string. Now we have stored the indices of the first occurrence of a character, and when we encounter a again, we are going to compare its index with the index of the first occurrence. We can see that there is only one character between them, so the substring length will be 1. Similarly, when we encounter b again, then we compare its index with the index of the first occurrence. We can find the difference between these two and then again subtract 1 from it. This will give the length of the substring between them. Similarly, when we encounter a again, we are going to use its index and then compare it with the index of the first occurrence. We'll find their difference and then subtract 1 from it. This will give us the result of 5, which is the length of the substring between them, and this will be the maximum. The time and space complexity of this solution will be O of n because we only have to go through the string once and we need to keep track of all the first occurrences using a hash map. Let's implement our solution. The first thing that we'll do is keep a hash map to store the first occurrence of any character. We'll initialize our result to be -1, so this will also handle the case when there are no equal characters. We'll now go through each and every character in our string. Now we'll handle the case when we have already seen our current character before. So this must already be present in the hash map. In this case, we'll find the difference between the two indices and subtract 1 from it to find the length of the substring. And we'll use this value to maximize our result. And if we have not seen our current character before, then we'll store our current index to be the first occurrence. At the end of our loop, we can return our result. We are now done with our solution. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubts or concerns regarding this solution, please mention in the comments. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon.